This will soon be a makerspace.
I think it's a fantastic idea.
Located at Coastal Carolina University's Kimbel Library, the Makerspace will feature 3D printers, a large format printer, even sewing machines.
As of course employment and all those things veer more toward technologies, this will be great.
Technology already exists at CCU. Katie Clare uses 3D printers in most of her classes.
Students always want to be engaged with technology.
Jeff Rich already utilizes a large format printer.
Just knowing how to use one of these printers alone is a big deal.
The Makerspace will bring those creative elements together and allow students access.
Whatever someone can imagine, they'll be able to make.
Having everything in one spot will bring together students from all different disciplines.
It's very exciting for us in that we feel that it can create synergy among the different colleges.
People can learn from each other and really create some fantastic pieces.
Expectations are for the Makerspace to be ready this summer and open fully in the fall.
I think the Kimbel Library Makerspace will be really good for students to be able to go in and create their own projects.
I've heard students really excited saying, that would be amazing if there could be a space where we just go and create stuff.
This Makerspace will be a test of sorts before the new library learning complex goes up next door.
Our plan right now is to build a much larger makerspace there.